Hello, superstars. How are you? Today, we will learn 10 sight words. We will say, spell, and use them in sentences. Are you ready? Say after me as we learn together. Repeat after me. All. Now let's spell it together. All. A-L-L. All. Now let's use it in a sentence. All. We love all the flowers. Out. Out. O-U-T. Out. Now let's use it in a sentence. The cat ran out of the house. Good job. Down. Now let's spell it together. Down. D-O-W-N. Down. Now let's use it in a sentence. The ball rolled down the hill. Day. Now let's spell it together. Day. T-H-E-Y. Day. Now let's use it in a sentence. They saw a car. Good job. Has. Now let's spell it together. H-A-S. Has. Now let's use it in a sentence. She has a pretty hat. In. Let's spell it together. In. I-N. In. Now let's use it in a sentence. Put the box in the bin. You are doing amazing. Me. Let's spell it together. Me. M-E. Me. Now let's use it in a sentence. He gave me a pen. Good job. Went. Let's spell it together. Went. W-E-N-T. Went. Now let's use it in a sentence. We went to the garden. Repeat after me. Been. Let's spell it together. Been. B-E-E-N. Been. Now, let's use it in a sentence. The kids have been to the garden. So. Let's spell it together. S-O. So. Now let's use it in a sentence. The sun is so bright. Wow, you did so amazing. We are able to read 10 sight words today. If you had fun, come back next time for more sight words. That is all for today. See you next time. Bye.